look at this stunner. This is my Brazilian whitey, still a juvenile, quite small. It's in one of these little tubs here. She's just been put in here as a new home. This beast loves her bugs. Oh, there you go. Look at that. I'll go around the front, hopefully. Oh, she'll do a little bit of moving around, make herself nice and comfortable. There it is. Cockroach. Oh, look at that. Look at the size of those bugs. And she's a baby. Ooh. Nuts. I'm going to put a lid back on her now. She's not going to be too pleased because she's actually higher than where the lid's going to go. So she's probably going to be a little bit annoyed. And she's got a really small abdomen at the minute because she has just molted literally like 3 days ago. Look at those colours. Oh, creep-tastic. I'm going to put the lid on now. Bye-bye.